Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series which we are recording for the TYB and TYBCom students. So today I have MCQs related to international economics. So let's get started. The first MCQ is, what do you mean by foreign exchange rate? So the first option is price of one currency in terms of the another. The second option is rate at which one currency will be exchanged for another. C option is price of two currencies in terms of the third. And the last option is price of three currencies in terms of fourth. We have to select the appropriate option or correct option. So here we have first option is A and B, that is price of one currency in terms of another, as well as rate at which one currency will be exchanged for another. Then we have A and C, second option, that is price of one currency in terms of another and price of two currencies in terms of third. Then we have third option A and D, that is price of one currency in terms of another and price of three currencies in terms of fourth. And the last option is B and D, which is rate at which one currency will be exchanged for another and price of three currencies in terms of the fourth. So if you know the definition or the idea of what foreign exchange rate particularly boils down to, it is A and B, that is price of one currency in terms of another or the rate at which one currency will be exchanged for another. So here our correct option is first, that is A and B. Let us now move to the second MCQ. What are the different types of exchange rate systems? So we have A float, B fixed, C pegged float, and D all of the above. So you have seen exchange rate systems and their types. So these are all the types of exchange rate systems. So all of the above is the correct answer. Let us now move to the third MCQ, which is there. Under the flexible exchange rate system, exchange rate is determined by what? Under flexible exchange rate system, please make sure that you read it properly. Yeah, so first option is gold, the second option is governments, the third option is demand and supply of foreign exchange, and the fourth option is none of the above. So here in flexible exchange rate system, exchange rate is determined by the demand and supply of foreign exchange. Yeah, so let us move. I hope that is pretty much clear. Let us move to the fourth MCQ, which is here. The question is under the fixed exchange rate system. Here it was the flexible exchange rate system. Here we are talking about fixed. Yeah, so the question is under the fixed exchange rate system, a currency value is fixed or pegged by a, options are who pegs that or who fixes that? A monetary authority, B government agent, C foreign exchange traders, or D none of the above. So here the correct answer is, it is always the monetary authority which fixes it. Yeah, so A monetary authority is the correct answer. Let us move to the fifth MCQ. Foreign exchange market equalizes with the help of what? A hedging, B arbitrage, C speculation, and D none of the above. So here foreign exchange markets equalizes with the help of speculations. So that is the correct answer. Yeah, let us move to the sixth MCQ. What is a vehicle currency? What is a vehicle currency? Now let us see the options which are available to us. Option A is saying always a currency of exporting nation. Option B is saying always a currency of importing nation. So you have to pay attention to such terms, always, only, and things like that. Yeah. So the next option is currency used to invoice international trade, usually not a currency of the trading nations. Yeah, not the currency of a trading nation. And the last option is none of the above. So here vehicle currency is a currency which is used to invoice international trade, usually not a currency of the trading nations. Yeah, so this is the correct answer. This is a vehicle currency. Let us now, I'll give you a sense of what vehicle currency is with the help of an example, because the next question is talking about that. The next question is saying, what is the best example of a vehicle currency? So we have US dollar, Indian rupee, then tanka, and none of the above. So here the correct answer is US dollar, because it is not the currency of trading nations, but it is very effectively and efficiently used for international trade. Yeah, so US dollar is one. So this is it from my side for today's class. Thank you so much.